Hello, it's Raul ASO and SE456. This is PA5. For this assignment, I worked on the proxy sprite and getting that set up and creating a proxy sprite manager. Now, the proxy sprite contains a regular sprite, and I did what the professor said, which is to update the concrete sprite during render and update. The proxy sprite manager is just like any other manager, inherits from manager base, and will be the owner of the proxy sprite. Now, I did something a little bit different than the professor. In the game.cs, when you create a game object from the factory, I actually add to the proxy sprite manager first. Then when I create my game object, I actually do a find on the proxy sprite instead of creating a new proxy sprite. I think this is better because I'm first giving the proxy sprite to the manager first and just doing a find. I also created this concept of an index, so maybe I can use this later on to identify which game object is what indexed. I also did the grid hierarchy using the PCS tree that the professor said, and I first create the PCS tree. I create I add that to the I use a factory to create that grid game object, and I make it the root just like what the professor showed. And then I set that as the parent of my grid, and after that I just do a for loop of 11 with the 5 rows to create my objects. Okay, and then on the update, I do the move, which does the which moves the entire grid by the delta, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to show a demo right now, and here are my 55 aliens moving. I set the animation sprite to be 1.0, cleaned up the sprite a little bit, changed the background to black, and that's it. Thank you.